In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and add an administrator in Unbounce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your new admin gets the right level of access. All you need is access to your Unbounce account with permission to manage users. First, sign into your Unbounce account as you normally would. It's important that you're using an account with the rights to invite users. If you don't see some of the options I mention, you may need to check with your current account owner or an existing admin. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your avatar, the small circle icon. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Management. This area is where you control high-level settings for your account. On the left-hand side, select Users. This opens the Users page, which shows everyone who already has access, as well as any invitations that haven't been accepted yet. It's a helpful place to quickly confirm who's active and who's still pending. To add a new admin, go to the top right of the Users page and click the Invite button. This opens the Invite User dialog. If you don't see the button, it likely means your current role doesn't allow inviting users, so you'll want to contact someone with admin privileges. In the Invite dialog, type the person's email address carefully. This is where the invitation will be sent, and the person will need to accept it to get in. Next, set their role to Administrator. This role gives them broad control, including managing pages, settings, and other users, so only assign it to someone you trust to handle account-wide responsibilities. You'll also see a field labeled Client. If your goal is to make them a global admin for the entire account, you can usually leave this field blank. Leaving it blank treats them as an admin across the account. If you're working in an environment with multiple client workspaces and you want their access limited to one, that's when you'd use this field. Otherwise, blank is the standard choice for full access. When you're ready, click Add User or Invite, depending on the label you see. The person will appear under Pending Invitations on the Users page, which is a good place to confirm the invite went out. The new admin will receive an email invite. They must accept it to gain access, so let them know to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam or junk folder. Until they accept, they won't be able to use the account. That's it. You've invited a new administrator to Unbounce, quickly and securely.